Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back for another update from the Knothole game. We're atop the Mickey and Friends parking structure, looking at the backside of Galaxy's Edge, Battle Escape to be specific. And on this occasion, for whatever reason, today, this caught my eye through those trees. I'm always looking, those trees have been up for a while. They've been blocking our view of anything going on that side. But today, I noticed a white figure type looking thing through those trees, so I thought I would take a closer look. And what we're seeing is, I believe, just steel framework for more cliff face, as it were. As you know, this area to the left, where that extended queue is for Battle Escape, is right there. So I'm assuming that what we're seeing through those trees is just more, framework for cliff face to our left in this view and to the right of that area. It kind of surprises me, I guess. Even though we can't see it, so much is happening. So much is happening that we can't even see, and it kind of makes me sad sometimes that I can't show you more. I want to show you everything, but there's just so little way. I mean, you just can't. We can't see. We can't see. But anyway, there is stuff going on through there. So what we're going to do now, and now that we're on the back or the top of the Battle Escape building, I think what I want to do today is sort of let the camera speak. Because I'm going to be showing you a lot of close-ups of, some of the rock work and things like that, of what's going on, some of the finished product, as it were, because I think it looks fantastic. So here's a little acoustic, I guess. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? That's like green at the top, almost emerald looking. Fantastic. I cannot believe they've done this. Anyway, watch and enjoy. All right, we've slid over to the left side of the parking structure to get another look at these forced perspective spires, and I found myself noticing while I was watching that playback that I thought I was going super slow while filming this, but I think I could go even slower. Would that be I'm wondering if that would even be better for you guys, just to take even a longer, slower look at some of that rock work. Let me know. Okay, let's head over to the Rivers of America on top of the Mark Twain to get a front-facing view of Battle Escape. And again, we're going to be doing some really close-up looks here to see some of the detail. Look at that, golly! That is one finished piece of rockwork right there. And look at all the different, again, colors. The colors are fantastic. Boulders and little small pieces of rock there.
You're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees, the stunning rock formation, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent.
I would take longer looks at some of this stuff from here, but the boat is constantly in motion and our view is constantly changing while we do this, so it's kind of hard to get a long fixed look at some of this stuff. You have to constantly be adjusting. Oh, and then maybe, I don't know what it is, but I caught sight of stuff through the trees more so today than usual. But that again is the hull structure that you can see in the, I'm not sure what this thing is going to be, but you can see it in the model. I don't know if I guess they're going to go through that or if it's some sort of, like a shop. So here's a look at it on the model, kind of give you a sense of where we are within the whole land. That structure that we're seeing through the trees is right there. And it's, far left of the entire land, but it makes it makes that space seem enormous. And then here's another look, more straight on. This angle, I guess, would be if you were on the Mark Twain by the Hungry Bear, but super high. That's about how this view would look, from there. And again, I'm not sure what that thing is supposed to be in terms of guest access, if you go through it, or if it's a shop or food or what. I'm sure somebody else knows, but I can't recall what the purpose of that area is. But that's that through those trees right there. But this again is from the far right of the river. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's going to do it this week for the Knothole Gang. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you guys. I hope you do. And we'll see you next week. Respect. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!